Hello from Slovenia again. I still have those MDF boards, MDF cutouts from last Valentine's collaboration, and since it's January, February is almost here, I grabbed them again after a year. But I want to pour just with black and white. I'm planning to do a split cup pour with black and white on this side, and this side just cover with black. I don't know how this will work. Let's see. And since I'm talking about split cups, something really exciting is coming. Maybe you saw the product. This is not the thing that I'm talking about. This is just an old 3D printed split cup, but we will release silicone ones, adaptable ones really soon. Since I will get it, I will definitely show it to you. And another thing, I will teach split cup pours live June on Fab event in Dublin. You can find all the informations in the description box if you want to join me and paint with me, or on fluidartboutique.com. So let me just see how I think that I will kind of pour here, and I will go for more like a feathery effect, but don't want to fill this totally to the top because I want some negative space too. So just a simple black and white. I like black and white pours, and I will pour a little black just here to have a barrier or something, and I will start pouring right there, I think. And I don't have it on my spinner, so let's just see what will happen. I just travel around a little bit with the cup. I will add a little black around here. But I need some black left for the other half. Maybe I will try to tilt it a little bit, and then I will see, maybe I will tape this off right now and tilt it together with the black, or do I want to have this line, straight line? Still not sure. Bring this just a little bit to that side and stretch this out a little bit more. Oh, I want to turn it around that you will see better, and now I have a problem. Look. This negative space will level out, so here is a close-up. I like how it came out, but I have some other ideas too, because I still have some of those cutouts left. But look at those feathers here, I love them. It's simple, monochromatic, but I have to clean this hole at the bottom, but I love it. Maybe I should leave the tape, or pay more attention to start to pour like that. The black would start here. I will try next with the kiss pour with just black and white probably, and maybe some gold, because I think that because of the shape you shouldn't do too much on that. I don't know, this is just my observation, but I like it. So thanks for watching. Tell me if you have ideas, because I would love to have a negative space, you know, black here and maybe just some feathers on that side. I don't know. So I will definitely play with this shape some more. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.